In an engine cooling system, there are two kinds of fluids that flow. One, the coolant, and two, the air. For effective cooling, you must variate the speed they flow at. You must either increase the speed of the coolant or increase the speed of the flow of air. This is achieved by two components. One, the fan, and two, the coolant pump, normally known as the water pump. In a conventional engine, old conventional engines, this unit is run by a belt. Coupled to this water pump or the coolant pump is a fan which blows air. When that system is used, we have disadvantages. One of the disadvantages being we tap power out of the engine that was meant to move the car, therefore increasing high consumption of fuel unnecessary and lowering the output of the vehicle. Number two, the fan speed plus the water speed, the pump speed, is based on the speed of the engine. Thus, if your engine is overheating and you are at low speeds, there is no way you are going to get to increase the speed of the air flow or the coolant. Now, to counter for this, the manufacturer opted for a fan, electric fan. These allowed variations in speed irrespective of the engine speed. If the engine sensor temperature detects a higher temperature at low engine speeds, the fan automatically spins at high speeds. Once the temperature goes down, the fan slows down in accordance with the engine. In modern engines, the same system is employed. This unit is used. This is an electric coolant pump. An electric coolant pump. It is controlled by the computer. Therefore, it doesn't tap power from the engine. And regardless of the speed of the engine, it is able to increase the flow or decrease the flow of coolant into the cooling system. Therefore, it is more efficient. It makes the engine more efficient. On the other hand, this unit has disadvantage. It is prone to electrical failure and roadside repairs are quite hard.